Hello and welcome back. We've got another employer video today and I'm here to interview Adrian. So Adrian, welcome.
Hello.
Could you introduce yourself and the company that you own?
Yeah, my name is Adrian Howell and I own Inventive Engineering Design Limited.
Brilliant. Could you give us a bit of a background about yourself and how you came into the position that you're in today?
Yeah, well, I started my career in engineering at the age of 16 as an apprentice. I began working for a press tool making company. We designed and built press tools, did metal fabrications and press work. So the tool myself did contract work, so that's work for other external people, but also we did a lot of work for our internal press shop to design, build new tooling and maintain theirs.
Fantastic. So, so how did you come about owning and running your own company?
Well, I worked as an apprentice for 5 years. I then moved my way up through the company that I used to work for till the point where I got to become technical director. So I went through management positions, design positions, worked in every department, learning and gathering all the skills that I needed to become what I consider to be a decent engineer. And then after a few years, after 20 years, I decided that I wanted to try and go it alone. And become my own boss and run my own company and do things a little bit differently. So I started this company 4 years ago and I've been working as myself in Inventive Engineering ever since.
Fantastic, exciting. So what advice would you give to any prospective apprentice looking for an apprenticeship at the moment?
Well, I think the standard things, we always look for hard work, being prompt, things like that. But for myself, I very much enjoy what I do, engineering. I've definitely got a passion for it. So whenever I look for somebody, I very much look for a spark or a passion that they have for sort of making and creating things. I think it's really important that you enjoy what you do in work. If you don't enjoy what you do, we spend a lot of time at work. So I think you have to get something from it. I really enjoy solving problems, creating new things, designing new things. So if you have a passion for any particular area, I would very much ask yourself to aim yourself in that particular direction.
Fantastic. So if I was a prospective apprentice looking to come and work for you, what sort of skills and attributes would you like me to have or develop?
It's as you come to an apprenticeship, you're just, generally speaking, quite young, and you haven't really found the direction that you perhaps want to go in. So it's a little bit difficult to pinpoint specific things, but as I said, a passion for what you're doing. Attention to detail is crucial in most engineering disciplines. Patience is also very important. A lot of what we do as engineers is problem solving, and that does involve looking into a problem, taking it apart, figuring out what's wrong and then creating a solution for it, and that does take a lot of time, effort and patience. So those kind of things are really useful attributes in engineering generally.
Brilliant. Well, thank you for taking the time to let me interview you today, Adrian.
That's okay.
And thank you.
No, thank you.